is the world's best 15th century ship. What we have here in Newport is the world's best 15th century ship. There's nothing else like that in Europe. We're certain the planking is Basque, and the Basques were noted shipbuilders, so we believe the ship was built there and around 1449. And what it looks like is that this ship is engaged in the wine trade, but it needed some repair work, and Newport's an ideal place to repair a ship. This is 1 to 10 scale. It's about 3 meters long, so in real life, the ship's about 30 meters long. This is one of the timber stores we built, and in here it's dry and warm, and above all, it's stable. So axes like this would have been used for trimming. An axe like that would have actually been used for felling the trees in the forest. We're 3/4 done drying out the ship timbers. We have around 600 timbers left to dry, a couple more years of freeze drying, and then at that point we'll have the entire assemblage of timbers dry and stable. The ultimate goal of the entire Newport Medieval Ship project is timbers and put them back together and put this vessel on display. This is the largest ship